What up, guys? Long time no see. Today I'm gonna be installing the FASS fuel system. This is the 290 gallon per hour pump. This is the industrial grade. It's pretty simple. It's not like the old style that you have to run a return line. You just hook it up inlet, from the tank, from the pump to the engine, and then you have a return line goes back to the tank, which is pretty simple. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna install this pump. I'm gonna clean up the wiring over there where the solenoid is for the bumper, and also I'm gonna try to organize my tools, all this crap. I'm gonna have to like half of the stuff I just have to throw away. I bought some new tools from Harbor Freight because it's cheap. It's very cheap. 500 bucks, yes. So yeah, my hubcap is all scratched up for some reason. I don't know what happened. It's over there. It's been a while. Nothing changed, just working. No big issues with the truck. Everything runs fine. Engine is good, transmission is good. I'm gonna be dressing up the engine pretty soon. I want to do the pump first, and if I have time, I'm gonna take everything off, clean it up. I'm gonna reseal the front structure. Is a little strip that needs to be replaced. I'm gonna replace that so it doesn't leak anymore, and then I'm gonna throw a chrome cover on the top. Look at this guy. What's up? Coyote? That's what I'm talking about, man. 5-0 swap. Where are you taking it? Where are you taking it?
Detroit.
Detroit? No, I'll take it to my house. This is crazy, man. OBD. It's got the digital. It's got 29 miles since they put it in. Wow. That's dope. It's got an iPad. Nice. No burnout. Huh? No burnout. Uh-oh. Slam it. There we go. That's how we do it. Nice, man. Oh, nice.
Engine start.
Oh, it's got the push button. Wow. Fancy. That's a grown ass man's dream. Bronco with a 5-0 swap. Hell yeah. I'll take it. So yeah. That is it. Nothing too interesting, just working. So I'm gonna get cracking on this thing and I'll show you later what's up. Alright, I'm gonna give you some update. What I did so far is I removed the old style fuel filter, water separator. This is the bracket for the FASS. I measured everything. It's gonna sit like that, and then we're gonna bolt this actual pump on top. So I'm gonna make four holes now. Then this goes on the back side, just like that, just like that. And this whole thing, there's actually a spacer. The spacer goes between the frame, so there's no vibrations and stuff. So we're gonna do that, bolt this together, and there's also spaces between the pump. See, she's gonna sit like this, kinda. Yep. So yeah, that's what's left now. I'm gonna drill the holes, make them bigger, and put everything together, and then the whole assembly goes on the frame. All the hoses. This is the inlet for the fuel. This comes from the tank. This one goes to the engine, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to tie up the return line from the actual pump, which is fairly simple. I'm gonna have to, so this goes on the pump, you can see right here, this goes on the pump, and then I'm gonna have to tie it down into the return line, which is right here. I might have to just get a splitter. I have splitters and stuff. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Let's do it. I know on the menu it says there is a torque spec, so I'm gonna look at the menu. I wanna see what the torque is. I'm gonna torque it down. Because don't forget there's a rubber spacer in between the frame and the bracket. So I'm gonna look at that, and we'll update you later. Got kind of hot today, so I hooked up the pump. It's working. I hooked up the power, basically positive and negative to the batteries, and you got a trigger switch, trigger wire, I would say. The trigger wire, yeah, it's a mess, but it goes to a power switch, whatever. When you turn on the key, it will give you the power. So I'll turn the key on now. As you can hear, the pump is running now. It needs to run a little bit. Right away. Starts right away. There's no issues. I like it. So now I'm gonna clean up everything. I'm gonna get out of here. I was supposed to organize my tools, but for some reason it's not working out for me today. So I'm just gonna pack everything again and organize some other time. I wanna go jump in the pool now. It's too hot. Gotta work on my tan, you know? Yeah, this is dirt, not tan. Yep, I like that shit. Not shit, I like that. I just like it. Yeah, all good, all good. What are they? Bye. Next day, I just wanted to show you what I had to do. I just tapped into that 90-degree because I couldn't find anything. Nothing worked for me. Everything's closed for the 4th of July. So I just drew a hole into the 90-degree and I tapped this thing. So late, and I put some JB on the side just in case. Then I'm gonna cut the holes to length and just add it on, and that's it. This is gonna be my temporary solution until I find something better that's gonna be way more sturdier and better, I think. But yeah, that's it for now. Everything works. Truck starts right up with this stuff. Yeah, I don't have to prime anything else. He primes the whole system, and this is great. No more issues. All right, happy 4th of July, guys.